Well, hi everybody, it's Ray here from eLearning Complete. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the intro text on a quiz page after a user clicks the Start Quiz button. Often the introductory text is merely just for instructional purposes, and depending on how much information is on this page, it could become quite cluttered or distracting to the user. Now watch what happens when I click on the Start Quiz button. You'll notice that the quiz is just now sitting at the bottom where I've now got to go and answer the questions, and all this text is still left on the screen. After you've added our code snippet into your custom functions.php file, you need to add a class attribute to your HTML you want to hide. And this class attribute must have a value equal to ELC-intro. In this example, actually in this quiz example, the content has been built with Gutenberg blocks, which I find a lot easier to work with. And so it's easier to add the classes to them. So what you do is you would then just click on a particular block. And we can just go there. I'll go to the cover, and then you'll scroll down on the right hand side, click on the advanced, and then it will say add additional class CSS classes. And over there, you'll just type in ELC-intro, and I will just copy this as well again, just so I don't have to retype it. And we want to hide the heading. I'll go down, click on the class, paste, and I'll do the same thing here. You can jump, paste, and I'll do the last one, and I want to hide this as well. And then all you need to do is click update your page. So now we're back on the quiz page, and now when the user comes to start their quiz, all this content will be hidden. And like magic, as you can see, everything has been removed from the page and free of clutter. If you are using the classic editor, then we suggest that you wrap your content around a div, and this way all the content that is inside a div will be hidden. Let me show you an example. So here we have the classic editor, and here we have some content. And so now we need to switch to the HTML view. So if I go to edit as HTML, we can see the HTML of this content. And just for fun, so I'm just going to enter a new line, and what I'm going to do is I've already copy and pasted this bit of text, and you have to add div, and so that's the opening of the div, and you have to add this class equals ELC-intro, and then close the div, and then what you can do is just close the div and just put in div. And that is it. And that's all you need to do to then hide this content if you are using the classic editor. And obviously you'll need a little bit of practice, to work in the back end if you're not sure how to use HTML code. And then we switch back to let me go back here. And then I'll switch back to edit visually, and you see nothing has broken. And now what the beauty is if I want to, I can actually just go and because it's in the div, what I'm going to do is just copy this text, and just for fun, I'm going to push an enter line, and I'm going to push Control V. So everything is still within the classic block. Now watch what happens, or normal classic editor. And if I go and click on edit HTML, you can see there's the opening div, and there is the closing div. So everything within the div will be hidden. If you are using our Quiz Embed for LearnDash plugin, then you can hide the content on your lesson and topic pages as well. And as you can see on this lesson page, we have a quiz that has been, that same quiz has now been embedded directly on a lesson page. And now when we click the Start Quiz button, everything else is now being removed off that page. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until next time, we hope you find this code useful.